All right, so we're going to start in law. Open up the case that you have imported documents into. As far as the Enron case, it should be something to deal with Kenneth Lay. And we're going to export documents. So the first thing you're going to do is go up to the title bar or your toolbar. You're going to find the logo that has the arrow on it, and you're going to hit export. Now export is going to bring up this menu. This is very important here. You have the option to include images, full text, and native files. Most of these don't have images, and we're going to create a tag list, so we don't need any of this information anyways. We don't need the images, we don't need the full text. We're just going to stick with include native files. Okay, I have concordance selected because that will give us a CS or a DAT file, and we're going to click next. Okay. For the purposes of this, we have quite a few different files here, but we're going to remove all and just select doc ID. Okay, make sure that your image tag field is marked as doc ID. And we're going to export this out into volume 4. Okay. It could be volume 4 for you, it could be volume 1 for you, it could be anything that you want it to be. Just make sure that you stay consistent in your naming progression so that as you do more and more exports throughout this case as well as through other cases that you can understand exactly what each one is and that you're not creating files over the top of other files. Going to hit next, hit finish. Now this warning right here is asking you to save the settings. Because this isn't a usual export, I will say no. And I would like to proceed. Okay, I already have this stuff in here, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. But you're going to hit yes. And as you will see, it starts exporting. Okay. And here is the DAT, the OPT file, the native images, and the modification file. Or, I'm sorry, the DAT file, the OPT file, and then the other files.